Everyone, did you sigh when you saw your credit card bill this month? Wait, when did I spend this much? Don't blame yourself. It's not your fault. It's because companies everywhere are pressing 5 buttons inside your brain, 24 hours a day. When these buttons are pressed, reason is paralyzed and wallets open automatically. These 5 buttons are instincts created for our survival millions of years ago. The first and second are the most powerful instincts: men's sexual desire and women's desire for beauty. Why do men go crazy for uncomfortable sports cars? Why do women buy another lipstick they won't even use? It's simple. Since primitive times, if you weren't chosen by the opposite sex, you couldn't leave genes behind. Marketers don't sell products. They sell the fantasy, buy this and you will be popular. The third button is child education. No parent can stand watching their child fall behind in competition. This is a desperate survival instinct to preserve one's genes. This is why the private education market never fails, even in a recession. It feeds on parents' anxiety. Fourth is health and survival. Is there anyone who saves money in the face of death? No. If someone says, "Eat this and live 10 years longer," even unverified herbs sell like hotcakes. It touches death, the most fundamental fear of humans. But the most fatal fifth button is the impatience of the poor. Sold out if you don't buy now. Make $1 million in a week. Does your heart race at these words? That's your brain screaming to grab resources quickly because it feels a lack. Scammers target exactly this impatience. Now, we must choose. Will we live like puppets, consuming forever as these 5 buttons are pressed? Or will we understand the principles of these instincts and become producers who satisfy others' instincts? The way to become rich is not in textbooks. It is in human instinct. Help others become beautiful, healthy, and raise their children well, and solve their impatience. Then money will follow automatically. Start looking at the world with the eyes of a designer, not a consumer. Starting today.